Did you know there is this feature on TikTok? So just add text in top right and tap some question. So for example, any question you like, there should be just a question mark, and then you can create this question sticker, and then like people who reply here, you will get answers to your profile, and then you can set up the duration, and then you can just move the duration when this sticker is appearing during the video or during your TikTok photo or video. So that's a cool feature. I didn't know about it. Hope it is helpful. It can make your TikToks more interactive and more fun to watch.